Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 5500W dual-fuel RV-ready portable open-frame inverter is a remarkable addition to any outdoor enthusiast's toolkit. Its dual-fuel capability allows it to operate on either gasoline or propane, providing flexibility depending on your fuel availability or preferences. This feature alone makes it a versatile choice for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency power at home. One of the standout features of this inverter generator is its impressive power output. With a peak wattage of 5,500 watts and a running wattage of 4,500 watts, it's more than capable of powering essential appliances, including refrigerators, air conditioners, and lights with ease. The open frame design is not only lightweight, making it easy to transport, but it also contributes to fuel efficiency and quiet operation, achieving a noise level of just 58 dBA. The user-friendly control panel includes multiple outlets, including two 120V standard household outlets, a 12V DC outlet, and a USB port, accommodating various devices and appliances. The electric start feature is a game-changer, allowing you to power up the generator with minimal effort, especially appreciated when you're in a hurry or dealing with inclement weather. Safety is paramount, and Champion has equipped this generator with several protective features, including low oil shutoff and overload protection, ensuring peace of mind during operation. Additionally, the generator has a runtime of up to 11.5 hours on gasoline and over 34 hours on propane at 25% load, making it reliable for long trips or extended power outages. Although it is generally well received, some users have reported that the assembly instructions could be clearer, which might pose a challenge for less mechanically inclined individuals. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 5500W dual-fuel RV-ready portable open-frame inverter is a solid investment for anyone in need of reliable, portable power. Its combination of performance, efficiency, and versatility makes it a top choice for both casual users and serious adventurers alike.